Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to order a Tableau Desktop Public Edition bar graph in ascending order using two methods. First, we'll need to start Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Then we'll need to read in a dataset. So the dataset I'm going to use is the Complete Pokémon dataset. I will drag and drop that here into Tableau Desktop Public Edition. And once Tableau has processed this dataset, it will load it here, as we see on screen in Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Then I'm going to go to Sheet 1 in the bottom left-hand corner here. And I'm going to create a bar graph visualization using the two fields, classification and HP. So I'm going to first drag and drop classification to columns. And then I'm going to drag and drop HP to rows. Here I'm going to make a minor modification to HP because it's currently aggregated with a sum. I'm going to click on this drop down and change the aggregation to average. So now my bar graph is aggregated with average, so we're seeing the average HP for the Pokemons under each classification. Now, to sort this bar graph in ascending order, we can hover over to the y-axis attribute, average HP, and click on this bar graph icon to sort it. So we'll need to click it twice. So we'll click it once and then click it again. This will then sort it here in ascending order from smallest on the left-hand side all the way to the largest value on the very right-hand side. Another way to sort it is clicking on this icon here in the top panel. So this is also going to sort it by ascending order by the average of HP within classification. I'm going to click on this, and this will also sort my bar graph in ascending order. This is how we can sort a bar graph in ascending order in Tableau Desktop Public Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.